Okay, today starts an adventure. What are we going to do today?
Farm. We're going to a farm.
We're going to the farm, but we have the trailer. Are we going to bring something back?
Are we?
I don't know. What would be at a farm we'd bring back?
A tractor.
A tractor?
A horse.
A horse. Any other guesses?
The farm.
The farm? We're going to bring the farm back.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for a ride and we'll see. Okay, so we're in the drive-thru getting lunch, and I'm with my whole crew here. Who's with me?
Me.
And who's asleep on your lap?
Stella.
Oh yeah. And who's in the back? And what do we have on the trailer? It's a sneak peek. Something special followed us home. Something very special. Surprise. Stella, are you surprised? No.
She's pretty sleepy.
She's pretty sleepy. She ran around a lot. All right, so we made it back to the shop all in one piece. We got a little Metro van on the trailer. Truck did fine. It's a gorgeous Sunday. And my youngest daughter is snuggled up with Stella on her blanket. They're reading to each other. It's pretty cute. Wanted to go through the van. Kind of excited. This is my second mystery micro van, and this one is even more of a mystery. I don't understand it, but it's got a Dongan engine. Let's just start with that. A Dongan? D-O-N-G-A-N. It's a 4-cylinder, not a 3-cylinder. It's fuel injected, yet it's registered as a 1991. It has an OBD port, OBD2 port here under the dash for scanning codes. It's a little rough. The guy I got it from was really nice, and I don't think he did any work on it, but it sounds like it's gone through a few owners recently, and I feel very lucky. It's so different than my other vans. I can't explain it. It has a lot of this weird script here, like on the speedometer. I'm not exactly sure what that is all about. It's left-hand drive. It's like my other Kia Towner, but this is not really a Kia Towner. It's close, but not the same. And I don't know how to identify the engine or how big it is, but it is a 4-cylinder, fuel injected. I'm assuming it's 800 cc's, but maybe not. Could be I guess it could be a 500 cc. It's a 4-speed. It has a crumple zone. See that extension on the bumper? Looks like a winch mount. That is actually crumple zones. It has plastic headlights. It appears to have fog lights. I haven't figured out how to turn them on yet. And all the glass is good. The body's fairly rust-free. It's got some salt damage, like around the windows. Here, this is typical of being in a coastal area. You get salt up there. And where else was it? Here. And like around here. So we're gonna work on it, love it a little bit, and see what we can make do of it. It has cool turn signals. They're up here. These flash when you turn turn signals on. Kind of interesting. It's so much like the other van, but so different. The mirrors are just a little smaller. This trim is different. I can't really explain it. But like I said, we're gonna love it the same, and we're glad we made it back to the shop. It's part of the fleet now, and we'll be tinkering on it, and you guys can watch as we come along. Thanks again to the seller for letting me know what was available and making it such an easy, nice transition, and hopefully a bright future for this van. Thanks for watching.